Hey everybody, this is a quick video to talk about how to do a hard restart or reset on an IKEA brand washing machine. Maybe you have a sticky error code, or maybe you had a power surge and something's not working right since then. A lot of times just doing a hard reset will fix whatever problems you have. So plus it's a real simple thing to do. It's a two-step process, which we're going to start right now. So step one is really simply just turning off your washing machine and then disconnecting power. So you're going to either unplug it from the wall, being very careful not to electrocute yourself, or if you don't have access to the plug, you can just turn it off at the breaker. Once you've done that, you can just wait a full minute, and any longer than you can wait is better to help clear things out, but at least a minute. Once that minute is up, you can restore power, and once we restore power, we're going to go into step two, which is we're going to do a cycle of open and close and open and close our washing machine, and we're going to do that for 6 times, and that will signal to the washing machine to reset. Now this varies depending on model, and it can be anywhere from 6 to 12 openings and closings. So if it doesn't work after 6, you can try it again, working your way up to 12. But that should reset your washing machine. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.